So here Krishna, of course, he's come as the Supreme Personality of God, but he's playing like a small child. In the previous verses it mentioned just like a lion club is playing. Even though lions are such ferocious, powerful entities, animals, the king of the jungle, but their cubs roll around and play, and they hit out in the air and they frolic, and sometimes two lion cubs will roll on one another and play with one another in mock battles, and the lions watch the antics of their cubs and find it very amusing. So it's said that Krishna, although he's the Supreme Personality of Godhead, that he was playing in Vrindavan like a lion club. So many different kinds of childhood pastimes. Just to add the spice, here Kamsa is sending one after another the different wizards, these different demons, to kill Krishna. So in the midst of Krishna's loving pastimes with his associates, in comes the different demons, Pralambasur coming as a cowherd boy in disguise and actually entering into the pastimes and wrestling and playing. We can understand there must have been so many cowherd boys that if one extra one entered in, it wasn't immediately noticed. How could Krishna could understand that this boy was a bit different, and engineered it so that Balaram was being carried by the Pralambasur. When Pralambasur thought, well, I really wanted to get Krishna, but let me get rid of this Balaram first, because then it'll be easier to get rid of Krishna. So like this, each of the demons, they came in, and in a very deceptive way they tried to finish off Krishna and Balaram. And Krishna and Balaram, being absorbed in their childhood pastimes, when they realize, oh, here's another demon, and just like a baby breaks the toys, it breaks the head of this demon's head or legs or whatever, throws them in the trees.